Hello everyone. Today let's discuss about the topic of JVM architecture. JVM architecture shows how our code written inside a Java file will be converted into machine understandable language. First, the .java file will be compiled using a Java compiler, which is a Java C, and the Java C will be generated another class file which contains a bytecode. The bytecode is nothing but a set of instructions that can be understandable by the JVM, and the class file will be sent to the class loader. The class loader is nothing but used to load the classes that is available inside our application. This is the diagram about the class loader. The class loader will contain the three phases: a loading phase, a linking phase, and initialization phase. The loading phase will again divided into three parts, which is a bootstrap class loader, extension class loader, and a system class loader. First discuss about the bootstrap class loader. The bootstrap class loader will load the classes which is a Java core classes, means the classes which is a predefined in the Java. The Java bootstrap path looks like this, and the example of a bootstrap path is java.lang.string, which is a predefined inside a Java. So the bootstrap class loader will load the classes for like this. And coming to the next part, which is a extension class loader. The extension class loader, which is an extension of a bootstrap path, and example of the extension path is java.sql.driver manager, which is the driver manager, which is the extension part of a bootstrap path. Next, coming to the system class loader. The system class loader will loads the paths of classes of the path defined by the user, which is our own classes. Coming to the linking phase. Linking phase again contains three phases: verification phase, preparation phase, and a resolution phase. Verification phase. In this verification phase, the JVM will looks for the dot class file and checks the format, if the format of the class file is correct or not. If the format is correct, it will go to the next phase. Otherwise, it will produce an error like java.lang.verify error if the verification fails. And coming to the preparation stage, in this stage, the memory for the static variables and the default values are allocated. It will allocate only memory for the static members and default values. It will not allocate the values. Coming to the next phase, the resolution phase. In this process, it is a process of replacing the symbolic references in bytecode, which is a direct references to memory locations. Symbolic references means for classes, the symbolic references are class names. They are replaced with the actual memory location. And finally, coming to the initialization phase, it is used to initialize the variables, the actual variables that is allocated for the static values, static variables. In the preparation phase, we have seen that it will allocate the memory for the static variables. In this initialization phase, it will allocate values for the static variables from the top to the bottom. This is all about the class loader. Thank you. Let's see the remaining part in the next video.